video today, just down at the range. Gonna get some trigger time. I really can't talk today. Get some trigger time in today. It's empty. You have a loaded mag though. Got my Glock 19. Got a loaded mag there. I got two more loaded mags here. I got another loaded mag in the duffel bag, and then I got something in the duffel bag that I will shoot at the end. But to see the full video, you'll have to go to gunstreamer.com or to Gunstreamer, because what I'm going to use for my last shots, YouTube will probably frown on. I'm just simply going to shoot this target I got at Accuracy Firearms. I've shot it once. I've had one video on it. It did pretty good. But like I said, nothing special today. I'm just getting some trigger time in. Throw this out here and make sure it shows up on the it's on there. Move the camera over a little bit just in case I'm gonna get my bag, get my ears out. Put them on right, it'd help. Get my eyeballs out here. I'm going to try to stand where I'll be in frame, but not sure if I will be or not. Let's just, man, I did it again. I didn't bring my, tarp. I got a whole bunch of rounds too. Yeah, we'll come out here later and try to pick up some brass. But chambering around, going hot. Oh, here's one of my gig mags. That's Ches. Got a different trigger put on. There she went a-rolling. Got a lighter trigger on this Glock 19, and it's a little touchy at times. Should have one more mag in my bag here. Okay, this will be the last mag for the YouTube video. And like I said, the rest of it will be on Gunstreamer. I'm going to go pick that target up, and gun's clear. We'll go pick that target up, see what she looks like before we get to the next few rounds. A lot better. if I had like more solid ground. Yeah, she's definitely muddy. I'll tell you, I had a couple good hits on this thing. She jumped pretty good. She spun, but really a few marks on it. But other than that, there's not even any really wear and tear on there. See if we can hit that. And like I said, right here is where I'll stop the YouTube part of it, and you can watch the full version at Gunstreamer. Same channel name, Pro Carry Trucker.